Hi everyone, so I wanted to share with you today, and we'll open these together, what I came home from work to. If you're new to this channel, welcome and thank you for stopping by. And so today we are going to open up this box because I ordered some plants online. Now I always am a little bit skeptical about ordering plants online for the simple reason that they were grown in another area, and so they have to get acclimated to this area, and you definitely don't want them to die. Now I will say, every single time I've ordered from Proven Winners, the plants came well packed. They look healthy, and I did have like one small problem with the flower pillow, but they immediately shipped out another one. So Proven Winners is one company I don't mind ordering flowers from online. Now, what prompted me to order from Hertz Garden, and I think they're out of Ohio, is I had got from a plant sale when we went to Brook Green Gardens in South Carolina. I got the black and blue salvia, and when I planted my hibiscus that I've also picked up from the plant sale, I didn't realize it would get that big. It said it would not get that big, but what it did was it shadowed out the black and blue salvia, which I loved, and I love the color. And so I had to end up pulling that, and I really wanted to replace it with the same flower. But while I was online, Hertz Garden had the black and blue salvia, but they were also having a sale, and I'll make sure that I link their website. So I'm going to put the camera down, we're going to open these up together, and I want to show you the condition and how everything looks. So just in case you are in the market for some live plants, then you can kind of know what you're getting. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this, and I hope that they are pretty like they were online. You know how sometimes they put the pictures on there, but that's why I am sharing it with you today. So again, these are from Hertz Gardens, and they're live plants. So first look, they're packaged really well. Let me show you how they're packaged, and then we'll get to what I got. Okay, so this is how they look, and let me try and find my invoice, and we'll go over what we have. I didn't find an invoice, but it looks like they have the tags inside. So right here, this is the, oh my gosh, hold on y'all, hold on. I had to like kind of pull everything off, and then I knew what this was, but I wanted to get you the right name. So let me just show you everything. Now first off, I'm gonna be totally honest, I think they can do a better job on packaging. They did have bubble wrap here, but the plants were laid down. In my opinion, if they have like individual boxes that maybe have the top out, up top where it's not closed in, and they can wrap this in like a box, that would definitely be helpful and useful, because the post office, you know, they don't know what's in here. It did say live plants, and you know how some of them say this way up, but when they're packaging stuff, they don't pay attention to you know, they're just trying to fit it in one bin. And I know that because I used to work for UPS. You just try to pack it in nicely and neatly. But I think if they were to have like the arrows that say this way up, maybe that would be better. I'm not sure. They did have live plants, but I do think that they can do a better job with the packaging. That's just my opinion, because I'm going to have to like rinse all of this out, and it looks like the leaves got smushed or something. But anyway, I'm hoping that they will bounce back. And I did look at the reviews on Hertz Garden, and it was a little bit over midway. Some people said they had problems, but they shipped them a new one right out. You saw some good reviews, you saw some mid reviews. So I knew that I was taking a chance, but I mean, the leaves and everything look healthy. I just don't like the way it was packaged. So remember, I said at the beginning of the video that I really was ordering the black and blue salvia. That was really all I was supposed to order. And I'll try to put a picture of the black and blue salvia that I had in my garden. It was so pretty, y'all. And let me get closer. When I tell you the color was so pretty, it just, you could see it from like across the garden. So I ended up getting 2 of those. And then I also got, I have been looking for this and I saw it, apple scented geranium. And these I will probably try to overwinter. I don't know if I get an apple scent from them. I'm thinking like the real apple. So I don't know. It does have a scent. Maybe it needs to get a little bit bigger, but see, like down here, I'm gonna have to clean this up. And you know, but you do have, I do see new growth, but I'm gonna have to clean it up. And you see how some of the leaves got yellowed. So it looks like they watered it like right before they put it in the box. So we got 2 apple scented geraniums. And this is a Violet de Bordeaux fig. This, I looked at this on several of the plant websites, and this is supposed to be like one of the most delicious tasting fig that you can have. So I had a fig before and it died, so I want to see if this will grow. And I think this can fruit maybe twice a year or multiple times a year, but it is zone 7 through 10. Is sweet and good for drying. That's the description on that. But I just want to show you kind of like the quality of it. And then now these, oh, they smell so good, and I hope they come back. This is lemon verbena, and I got 2 of those, the lemon verbena. So I mean, I'm hoping that all of them bounce back. Like I said, I'm not too amazed with the packaging. And I'm not too amazed with this, but I'll clean it up. They were having a sale, so maybe that's why. I'll clean it up and I'll definitely keep you posted. So as always, thank you so much for watching this video, and we hope you share this video with your family and your friends. And if you're not a subscriber, we would absolutely love to have you as a subscriber. So make sure you tap the bell so that you can receive notification each and every time we upload a new video. Again, thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, bye-bye.